First, open the Pocketful app, then go to the Portfolio section. Once you open it, you'll land on the Portfolio page. In the Positions tab, you can see all your active stock positions, along with details like today's P&L, overall P&L, LTP, last traded price, and whether the stock is bought via MTF or delivery. If you scroll down, you'll find the Closed Positions section, where you can check the stocks you've already sold. Next, go to the Holdings tab. Here, you can see all the stocks you currently own, along with your total holdings, current value, and invested value. You can also use the search option to quickly find any stock. For example, if you search for HDFC, you can even pledge your holdings directly from here. Now, in the MTF tab, you can view details like today's P&L, overall P&L, current value, and invested value. You can also explore which stocks are available for MTF buying. For example, if you click on a stock like TMPV, you'll see complete details such as how much you need to pay, how much Pocketful will fund, invested amount, overall P&L, current value, average price, pledged quantity, margin percentage, MTF settlement date, creation date. From here, you can also square off your position or buy more shares. And that's it. Pretty simple, right? Download the Pocketful app and start investing smarter today.